Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 6, 2023. One star Sudoku. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 162, 7th grade. And 9th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4. Column H, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 1, 8 and 6. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another cells. 3rd row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 1st grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. That 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 7. 7th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.